you see in the back, it's a beautiful city, Fürth and Nürnberg. So we just arrived. Looks like as we are on sightseeing, but not really. Let's have a look on the other side. You see this beautiful condensers right here. And now you see it's a little bit different. It is better because here we are now at the company ButterBack. They produce frozen bakery goods, and we want to have a look how they keeps or makes the stuff frozen.
Yeah, come on, let's go to the machinery room. We will see 3 ammonia chiller and some CO2 units. So come on, let's go.
And some special stuff. So guys, now we're in front of the machinery room. Let's have a look inside.
Come on. Look at there. That's a GEA BluQ. Come on. There's a CO2 rack, but we are here to see the GEA BluQ.
I promise you something special. Here it is. So, that is right in the back, our BluQ, our CompaX.
But what is so special with this unit?
I will show you. So here you see the standard roaster, the standard chiller. The compressor, the motor, the oil separator, also all the management, including the oil cooler. And now have a look on the CompaX. Everything integrated, all separated here, motors here, and this is a compressor, so the whole unit just on this size.
That's the liquid receiver. Ammonia comes from the condenser units up to here, storage, and go down to the expansion valve over there into the evaporator. Over there.
You see here the ice, so yeah, it's pretty cold here at these conditions, and the suction gas goes here into the motor. Oh, it's really cold. To the compressor, that's only this part, everything integrated. To the oil separator, so oil gets separated of course, and then via the discharge side to the roof, to the evaporator. You see, the compressor is running now for more than 16,000 hours already. It happened the last 3 years, so it's running for almost 24/7. You may already recognize that you understand us pretty well. So the noise is surprisingly low. But I want to show you also something about the vibration. Maybe you know the GEA coin test, but I want you to go a little bit further. Since I like to go play golf, I brought this little guy with me and just put him here on the complex. And it's really, really amazing how easy I can just put this golf ball here on the compressor. What a day.
Yeah, we had a really good day here in the Wolf ButterBack factory in Fürth, and what we have seen.
Yeah, it's really interesting. We have seen 2 roastrooms, of course, and yeah, our main target, the BluQ, with our compact screw, the GEA CompaX.
Yeah, a very compact chiller with a minimum ammonia charge.
Yeah, just extremely flexible, what they need here, with a variable VI, variable speed up to 5,200.
And low noise.
Yeah, so the vibrations, you have seen it. Yeah,
the golf ball was amazing, I think. Yeah?
And of course, the compact screw is just tied by the design here with the ammonia. Yeah, it's really interesting, and yeah, I'm looking forward to another projects like this. And yeah, see you soon.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.